everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to use make.com to generate an infinite number of YouTube long form and short form scripts for your videos. So what it will end up looking like is an automation just like this. So pretty much it's not very long, not very complicated. Please don't get overwhelmed by all this information. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this step by step just so you can use it. So we're going to start off in a new scenario. So we're going to start off in a new scenario, and the first thing that you want to do is add an RSS feed. So pretty much what this does is it takes information from a Google News site. So this website has a Google News channel. You can do it on any topic you want. I'm going to do it on AI, but you can do it on like any sort of like video games, nature, whatever topic you want to post about on YouTube Shorts. It can be about anything you want because it has everything. So if you just come back here, you want to go to rss.app and you want to create an account. So once you have done that, you'll be set on the free trial. So you can use any single news like articles for about 7 days, and then you can just sort of mess around with it for 7 days. So what you want to do is you want to grab the URL that's at the top right here of your chosen newsfeed. I've chosen artificial intelligence in the technology section. You want to copy that, go back to make, and paste the URL inside there and press save. And then you want to select from now on. So pretty much what this means is whatever information that comes through on the other end will instantly go through here and post or like generate whatever scripts that you want. So when you press save, you want to now add a HTTP module, and you want to get a file. Now it's pretty simple, just says URL, select URL from this section here, just the one at the top. So this URL will be this one right here, so it knows what it's talking to. Now you want to add a text parser because you don't want HTTP inside of your YouTube scripts. Now you want to just do HTML to text, HTML data. So this is whatever comes out from here. Press save. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add a router. Flow control, a router. Actually, a router is not very necessary actually right now. So I'm just going to add the module. Open AI, create a chat completion. So this one right here. Now what you want to put in, so first you want to make a connection if you haven't already to OpenAI so you can actually use it. And you just want this one here, model GPT-4o, so the newest model. You can use whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to select GPT-4o, just right here. You can leave the tokens, just wait for this to load. Now you want to add a message, role, user, text content. So I'm going to grab this text right here, and this will create a title based on the new news that comes in. Delete that. So the title will be the title of the RSS feed news channel that comes in. So it names your document. We'll get to that later, because all of this information is going to be in a document since it's YouTube scripts. And then the information, please read it. So this will be the information that comes out of the feed. So this will be this one right here, the text. Based on this information above, please generate SEO optimized article. Cool. Do not put quotes around the title. And you just want to click save on that. Okay, now you're going to use this. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to use an assistant playground inside OpenAI. So pretty much what we're going to do is just create a assistant inside OpenAI instead of clumping down a prompt inside of the node. So you can consistently use this across as many automations as you like. So it's more consistent pretty much. So you just come back here, open it up, message assistant. So this will talk to your playground inside OpenAI. Now connect to whatever connection you want. So I have these 5 bots here that I've made just with prompts. So what we're gonna select here is the research bot. Actually, my bad, that's wrong. The article bot. So this one will lay it out properly. So it's optional, but yeah. We're gonna grab this text here. So you just copy this, delete these inside the bot. So this will be the text. The text will be from the text parser based on the information that's coming out from the RSS feed. Obviously, the title would be the choices and message content from this node right here, because that's where the title is. So that now we will know what to name it. Press save. Now, if you just come over to OpenAI, this is what it looks like. I've just made a YouTube short form and long form bot. So this is the prompt right here. It has a goal, required tools, steps. So if you just come down here, this is what it's laid out as. So you see how it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook 0 to 3. Stop the scroll. Start with a bold driven statement. So it knows what to do. The hype. So build excitement and keep users hooked. Core content. So this is what your script will look like when it comes out at the end. Exactly laid out like this, but with all the proper information. So now this is really good because it lays out your script so you know when to say it and what section of your video you know when to say it. So this is the same thing with the long form as well. It does the exact same thing, same layout. Come back here. Long form, exact same layout, but like a 10-minute or 15-minute video, for example. Say this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exact same thing. So now once this is filled out, once you've got all this information done, you want to add a router now. So now we need a router. Now we're going to add 2 GPT nodes, and this is where we use the assistants that we have made in the assistant playground. Message and assistant for both of them. One of them is going to be long form and one of them is going to be short form. Let's say this one's long form. The message is going to be this right here. So just copy this text real quick. Not a long text. Write that. Enter. And then you want to do the result of this one. Not the title. Make sure you don't select the title. This one's the title and this one's normal. So you want to select, which one's that one? Number 6. So just select, I believe it's this one up top. Yep. Result. Press save on that. Same thing with this one, but short form, since that one is a long form. Now you want to do the exact same thing on there, but result. Same thing, result. See, now we don't have to clunk a whole prompt inside these, since we already have it in the OpenAI playground and it's know what it's doing because it's talking. It's pretty much chatting in here and it puts the information. Good thing about OpenAI. Click save on that. Now you can add a Google Doc. And you want to do create a document. So this creates a new document every time. So pretty much what comes down from here, like what comes into here, if you leave this on, it automatically like feeds it through. So literally you can just leave it on and every single day you'll get a new YouTube script. So pretty much infinite YouTube ideas, right? It's crazy. So the name of the document, you can just do, I would just name it YouTube long form, so you know like what form it is, and then just the title. So if you just come down to this one, number 5, and you do result, because this is a title of the Google News article, so you know what it is, like what topic it is. Otherwise you would not know, like you have no idea what it is. So now this will be named inside of your Google Doc. This will be the title of your Google Doc. It will say YouTube long form, and then every time the cool thing about it is every time a new news comes in and it pumps through, it will name it that exact title. So that's the cool thing about it. Content will literally just be the result of this one right here. Which number is this? Number 9. So it will be the top one. Now that's what's generated. Like it'll come out like this, like generated like this, the hook and all that. And you just want to like choose wherever you want your Google Doc to go, obviously. Same thing with this one, Google Docs, create a document, exact same thing. Literally the exact same thing. So it is, I believe it's this one. So results, name, YouTube, short form. And then the title will be the result of this one right here. So number 5, I believe this one is the title right there. And then you want to select wherever your document wants to go. That's pretty much it. Now you've literally, in how long? In about 10 minutes, you've just built yourself an automatic YouTube script generator. So every single like couple hours, a new topic will come in and it will just automatically generate a script for you. You don't need to touch anything. Literally just press like, if you just come back and click this at regular intervals, you can say, let's say new Google News comes in about once every 3 hours, right? So if you just do 3 hours, what's 3 hours to minutes? 180 minutes. 180 minutes. You press save and then you press activate. This will literally just run every 3 hours. So that means it will look in here every 3 hours, and most likely there will be a new thing because this gets posted really constantly. And it will just automatically generate scripts for you every 3 hours. It will just land straight into the document location that you set it as. So just for an example, this is what the long form template looks like. This is your script, so it doesn't have to be all neat and nice. As long as you can read it. Just zoom in here. Hook 0 to 15. Start with a bold statement. So this is what the title will look like. So that's the topic that came in. Like this is just an example. And now it's created a whole article and inside a script form about like one of these that just came in, something like this. Like these type of articles. So just be hook, preview, strong identity, statement hook, a hero's journey. Like this is just like simple. It's just simple stuff. Now, since this document wasn't really like big, like this news thing wasn't big, this one will not be big, but it's all good because most likely you will be posting short forms. And with long forms, you don't really need a script, right? Because it's long, so you need to explain what's going on. Short form, same thing. It'll come out like this, grab attention. Is your healthcare data really safe? Like that's a hook. 0 to 3. DeepSeek, a leading AI startup, just exposed secret keys and chat history due to a weak security. Build context, so you're explaining what's happening. So see how it's like labeled on the timestamps? It's got timestamps here, so that's when you say it. This is like the most like simple script you can create. Like it's really good. Yeah, and then explains what it is. That's pretty much it. Really a lot of good and valuable, I can't say that word, information from this little automation right here. This is like the insane part about RSS apps and Make.com, how they connect and talk to each other, because it just pumps straight like scripts non-stop every 3 hours. It's crazy. You literally will not run out of things to do or film. Like you literally just need to film and talk. Like you just need to use your brain and talk, and that's it. Like that's literally how I generate all my YouTube shorts. Like, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you have any questions, just leave a question in the comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible if you have any questions about it. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.